Hello everybody. Happy Septandy. This is my Tandy 102. It used to belong to a local high school. That number doesn't work anymore, probably because the area codes have changed. I was at the dump and they were bringing in a bunch of these as well as a bunch of Model 3s. They had all gotten wet. I was able to convince the guy to give me one of these and one Model 3. For some reason, that's all he would let me have. And I've since cleaned them, got them both back working. The only issue is that one little line right there missing. Otherwise, it works perfectly. It has a Dial-a-ROM inside it, as well as a backpack from Soigeneris. Which works wonderfully. Oh yeah, turn DOS off. Do menu. More dots. And you can see the missing line a little better under the More Dots program. Super handy little